Hi students, this is NS Reddy, your civils mentor. I am here to talk about the recently conducted preliminary examination by the UPSC. As usual, the aspirants have started talking about the surprise they were into in the examination hall. Every time the same thing happens. The UPSC surprises the students. In fact, surprise has become a norm for the UPSC. The students have started saying that the UPSC is so unpredictable, unfair, etc. etc. If you think UPSC is unpredictable, it is your problem. Because UPSC never told you that it will ask those questions which you predict. At the same time, it doesn't follow any trend also. Not following the trend has become the trend of UPSC. Again, if you are following a trend, you are expecting that UPSC would also follow your trend. That is your problem. So, what exactly the UPSC expects from you? What exactly it tests? It tests your depth. It tests your limits. It tests your strength, mental strength. It tests your basic knowledge about various topics and subjects included in the syllabus. It tests your ability to face unexpected situations, etc. etc. So, what to do? How should be your preparation? Whether you have to do hard work, whether you have to do smart work, or both. You have to do a kind of 360-degree preparation, as wide as possible and as deep as possible. And your preparation should be both horizontal and vertical. So, your preparation style has to suit the expectations of UPSC. If you are not aware of what UPSC expects from you and you don't prepare accordingly, you don't have a right to complain, to criticize the UPSC. So, what I understand is that the UPSC has got its own R&D team. The basic responsibility of this team is to find ways and means to surprise the students year after the year. If you know the psychology of UPSC, you will never get surprised. The UPSC examination system does not favor any student. If the examination is tough, if the questions are tough, they are tough for everyone. If the questions are tough, the cutoff is going to be less. It is as simple as that one. If you are suddenly becoming depressed and clueless in the examination hall, that means you are buckling under the pressure of the exam pressure of the UPSC. So, try to be cool, confident, and determined. That will do the trick in any examination conducted by the UPSC. So, dear students, instead of just complaining that UPSC doesn't follow any trend, UPSC is totally unpredictable, UPSC is totally unfair, you try to understand what exactly UPSC expects from you and prepare accordingly. So, you should know, you should understand the strategy of UPSC and you should have your own strategy to counter the strategy of UPSC. UPSC is not doing anything irrationally. UPSC knows what it's doing. it does everything very tactfully so that you are not able to predict the unpredictability of UPSC. So you prepare accordingly, but be wise enough to have a plan B also, because you may not be fortunate enough to clear this examination even after making a number of attempts. However, you need not lose your confidence, you need not lose your determination to get into the civil services. Who knows? You may be lucky enough to be the next IAS topper. So keep going. Only the tough gets going when the going gets tough. So, all the best. Take care. Thank you.